In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Epson printer is printing blank pages. So even if you're trying to print a document, everything that comes out of it is just pure white, or sometimes it prints half of it, or it doesn't do a great job. So I'll show you how to fix these problems. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Epson printer is turned on. And obviously there's many different models, but they all work about the same. They all have similar menus. So you need to go on this screen, the main screen, where you see maintenance. If you don't see maintenance on your screen, just go into the settings, and sometimes you're gonna find maintenance in that menu. When you find it, press OK. And we'll need to do a print head nozzle check. Again, maybe on your Epson printer it's just called nozzle check. Select it. It will then ask you to put a blank piece of paper, a A4 size, which is 8.5 by 11. So I will load mine here. It'll just ask you to confirm, then you need to press the close button and press the print button, because the printer will now print a test page. So now this is the test page the printer just got printed. The lines needs to be full. If you have spaces, if you have blank spaces between them, then there's a problem. In my case, it's fine, that's not the problem, everything looks fine. But if your line has spaces or blank spots, you need to select this X button by clicking this left arrow until you select it, and then press OK. I'll still do it just to show you. Go down. And depending how bad is your problem, if you have just some white blank spaces here between the lines from time to time, then you're gonna select cleaning. If yours is very messed up and the line is discontinued at many different places, then you're gonna select power cleaning and you're gonna press OK. If you have an older Epson printer, you may not even have this option. You'll just have the option clean print head. In this case, select it and press OK so the printer can do it. After the print head got cleaned, you're gonna redo the same thing. Print head nozzle check, and it will print again the same exact test page. And this time, hopefully, you'll see the lines, just like in my case, not being discontinued. If you're still seeing some space, if you're still seeing holes here in these lines, you're gonna go in this menu and you're gonna select right away power cleaning. This is the highest level of cleaning of those nozzles, and hopefully this will solve your problem. You're gonna press OK and you'll go through this power cleaning. If you see that while printing the test page again, that things are getting better, you're just gonna clean it again and again and again until it's perfectly like this one. So hopefully this will solve your problem for good. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment down below if you have other solutions fixing this problem, and I'll see you in the next video.